Hello, hi, welcome to the class. Previous class, we are all discussing about the sources of recruitment, internal and external. And today, I am going to explain selection process. So, selection process is nothing but it is a process of thoroughly screening the candidate for the sake of identifying skills for doing a particular job in a organization. It is a selection process. Selection is a managerial decision process as to predict which job applicants will be successfully if hired. So many candidates they were applied. We required our job specification. In a selection process, we may be finding or we may be making the match between the job specification and employee specification will be matched. Is it he holding the required qualified or skills for the sake of doing our job in an organization? So selection process consists some of the steps. We can't able to simply taking the any one apply the job. So we can't. We maybe conduct many tests or many process in a process steps. Then only we are able to choosing a right people. So that's why here we are conducting the steps 1 preliminary screening. What I said earlier, selection process is nothing but screening the candidate for finding a skills and qualification for doing a job. Likewise, here also they are mentioned step 1 preliminary screening. It helps the manager to eliminate the unqualified or unfit job seekers based on the informations supplied in the application form. So, preliminary screening, it is helps to the manager eliminate the unqualified or unfit candidate through conduct this screening, preliminary screening. So, based on what they were giving the or sending information about the organization, based on that we are conduct the preliminary screening. It is helps to the eliminate the peoples or candidate whoever unqualified or unfit seekers based on their information relating to our job specification. This is the first step, preliminary screening. And we are moved to the next step, step 2, selection test. After eliminating the some of the candidate, remaining candidate, we are going to conduct the some of the test because we may be finding their intelligence, interest, attitude. So that's why we are going to conduct the selection test. An employment test is a mechanism that attempt to measure the characteristics of individual. So we holding some of the candidate in individually how they are react with the situation, or we are asking the some of the questions based on in the name of the selection test. So we are conducting intelligence test. Intelligence test. So this test psychologically used to measure the level of intelligence of an individual. So this test, intelligence test, so it is helps to the measure the intelligence all the candidate individually. And next one, aptitude test. Psychologically this test used to measure potential of individual to performing a job in a organization. Aptitude test, it is helps to the measure the potential of the individual candidate in a organization for the sake of performing a jobs. And next one, third one, personal test. It is a test that provide person's emotion, reactions and value system. It is helps to the measuring the reaction, emotions, value system of individual candidate in a organization. And next one, trade test. Measure the existing skills of the candidate. Existing skills of the candidate. And next one, interest test. It is test used to know the interest and involvement of a person in organization. So these are the tests comes under the selection test. Number 1, intelligence test. Number 2, aptitude test. Number 3, personal test. Number 4, trade test. Number 5, interest test. After selection of test, we will move to the step 3, employment interview. Employment interview. Interview is a formal, in-depth conversation conducted to evaluate the applicants. So, suitability for the job. Employment interview. We may be conducting the interview, getting maximum information about interviewer, job and company as well as candidate. It is an employment interview. Employment interview regarding job specification. Interviewer asking the candidates and taking answer. So this is the employment interview. And next one, reference and background checks. Many employees request names, address, telephone and reference from the purpose of verifying the information, are gaining additional information about the applicant and checking a backgrounds. And next step 5th, selection decision. After we may be coming across previous 4 steps, we are taking a decision whether he is eligible for our job specification. He may be holding all the skills after passing above the steps. Any candidate in the selection process. So this is the selection decision. Because many candidates, they were passed all the tests or all the steps. So among them, we may be choosing some of the candidate only. That's why it is helps to the choosing a most suitable candidate. It consists a selection decision. And next one, medical examination. After selection, we may be conduct the medical fitness of the candidate for the sake of doing a job in an organization. He may be healthy, he is able to do the work. So this is the medical examination. After all these steps, we are given the job offer. Whoever show the competency for job specification or match the employee specification also. So those are the candidate, they may be getting a job offer. We are given the job offer. So in this, they are getting the job offer. After accepting the candidate, we may be move the next step, contract of employment. After accepting the job offer, so we making the agreement of the contract of employment. So these are the steps involved in a selection process for the sake of thoroughly screening the most suitable candidate for our job in an organization.